This is Motorola Moto X40, and today I will demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the settings I've said, then enter the Network and Internet category, go for the Internet section, tap at the network that you are currently connected to, assuming that this is the Wi-Fi network you would like to share with others. Then at the network details page, go for the share icon over there, and the following section that says share Wi-Fi reveals the Wi-Fi network password right over there, as well as provides you with the QR code that you can further scan with any other devices and get the aforementioned device automatically connected to the Wi-Fi network in question. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, or at least for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.